Last night I fixed all the broken parts on the bandsaw. Got this sweet new upper frame arm here replaced, along with some other stuff. Although their blade guard that goes there, that black piece in the back, didn't come pre-drilled for the blade guard cover, so got this wide open spot here. Let me see. There we go. See the blade in there. That's all right. Let's put back together. It works. It's not fully calibrated yet, but I was able to run a piece of wood down it. So got the mobile base on. Now we're going to pull this thing out. Drum sander. Getting the mobile base put on that. Got to clean up this entire wall, take down them shelves today. Got the drywall guy coming over this afternoon to finish up. So it might not be, but we're gonna hope.
That was easy.